Oh, apple. Saan yung apple dyan? Nasaan? Hanap mo yung apple. Apple. Nasaan yung apple? Nasaan na yung apple? Apple?
Apple?
Oo, nasaan na yung apple? Saan yung apple?
Yun.
Yun! Apple! Dito, saan mo hanapin yung apple dito? Nasaan? Saan yung apple?
Yun.
Yun! Nasaan yung banana? Yun, Nasaan yung cat?
Yun.
Yun. Yung duck. Nasaan na yung duck? Yung duck. Where is the duck? Duck. Nasaan yung duck?
Yun.
Yun. Yung fish. Yun. Yung egg. Asan yung egg? Yun. Nasaan yung ice cream? Yun. Yung house. Nasaan yung house? Yun. Nasaan yung gift? Gift. Jeep. Yun! Nasaan yung jeep? Jeep. Jeep. Jeep yung sasakyan. Nasaan yung sasakyan? Yung jeep. Yan. Nasaan dito yung... Dito. Nasaan dito yung... Ito pa. Nasaan dito yung milk? Yan. Nasaan yung lion? Lion. Where's the lion? Lion. Key. Yung lion, yun. Yung nurse, yung mommy na nurse. Nasaan yung mommy na nurse? Oh, wow. Nasaan yung key? Yung susi. Nasaan yung key? Yan, galing. Nasaan si queen? Yung baby na queen. Baby na queen. No, that's... Sino yan? Panda.
Dada.
Yan, yung rabbit. Nasaan yung rabbit? Nakita mo ba yung rabbit?
Yun.
Yon, yung orange. Yan, galing. Nasaan yung umbrella? Umbrella, yon. Nasaan yung sun? Asan yung sun? Yan, yung tomato. Saan yung tomato? Yon. Nasaan yung violin? Violin, yung tinutugtog, yung gitara. Tinutugtog. This one. To, violin. Hindi pala natin naturo yan. Nasaan yung watch? Yung relo? What? Yun, yung zebra. Where's the zebra? Zebra. Yun, yung xylophone, yung laruan mo. Nasaan yung laruan mo? Yo, yan. This one is xylophone. Yan, galing.